Get your first Bitcoin in a minute. On the OKEx Buy Crypto platform, you can purchase the cryptocurrencies supported by our third-party channels. The default payment currency is US dollars and the default asset is Bitcoin. You can fill in the amount to buy in the box and click Buy Now to jump to the third-party payment page. You will be directed to the Login Register page when you are not logged in. The Buy Crypto platform is also accessible via the top menu bar. Select your fiat and cryptocurrency to trade at the top of the page. The default options are USD and BTC. Click Buy and you can see the details of each payment channel. Here you can buy cryptocurrencies from the default best price or best rating sellers. Fill the amount of money you'd like to pay and then the system will calculate how much crypto you can get. A reminder will show up if the amount you enter is beyond the limit. Click Buy Now to enter the Simplex payment page. After the payment is settled, the crypto you buy will be transferred to your OKEx wallet, and then you will return to the Buy Crypto page. You can check your purchased cryptocurrencies in Asset. If you have any questions regarding the transaction, you can contact our online customer support or submit a ticket.